What's it doing? What's it doing? You gonna get it? You gonna get it? What is that? What is it? It's coming at you. Watch it out. What's it doing, Jay? It's coming at you, Jade. That's She's like, what is going on here?
That could really impact the evening commute. That high getting up to about 86. It's mostly cloudy and humid tomorrow night. A shower, thunderstorm in the area. Down to 71. I think it's a little bit less humid, a little bit cooler also on Thursday. There's still a chance of a spotty storm, but I think we have a break from the really active days.
Where'd it go, Jay? Where'd it go? No, it went underneath the thing.
Oh, hopefully not.
It's very quiet. I'm starting to think it's stuck down there, though. Is it gonna come get you? There it goes, Jade.
You can see the force of whatever it was that hit the window and shattered the window.
This is hysterical. She's a little. Oh, it's going after your toy, Jade. Oh no. What are you gonna do? Go get it. Go get it, Jade. It's got your toy. Oh, you're chicken, man. You're just chicken. You are one chicken little girl.